What is going on, guys? I know it's been a minute. I haven't uploaded. I haven't even got a haircut. Look at this. I just been caught up with work and stuff, and haven't had a laptop, so pretty much I have footage, but I'm probably not gonna. I'm probably just gonna upload little clips here and there of that. But yeah, it's just been crazy. A lot of things have changed. And I'll show you guys real quick, just a little glance of what's coming up. But for today, we're gonna be working on the R6. As you guys can see, has no mirrors. I gotta get the block off plate. But today we're gonna be working on the rear. We're gonna change the little brake light. I ended up getting some different one. I already opened it. It came with bubble wrap and everything, so we got a smoked out one, and it comes with integrated turning signals. So I'm gonna end up getting rid of these little turning signals and stuff. But I got more stuff coming in for the bike, so that's gonna be going on. I had a few runs with the homies Jigster, so the only thing about that, I did it in a time lapse, so we're going to end up rerunning them pretty soon. So like I said, we got a few things going on, but let me show you guys a little glance of what has changed on the Camaro. And we ended up getting another project, so here's the little glance. I don't know if you guys could peek that, but the Z01 does have new wheels, something else you guys could tell. And we ended up picking up another hatch. It's an SI model. Like I said, a lot of things have changed, so I'll talk about it. I don't know if you guys can see, but let me show you guys without showing the Camaro too much. But it's also on the drive pack. Like I said, just a little teaser of what the things have been changing. But let's go back to the motorcycle. Today's about the motorcycle. I'll do a recap of everything and keep you guys updated. So we're gonna try to take this task real quick. It's kind of late too, but I'm gonna put the GoPro on. I have the headset right there, so get a different point of view. I never tried to do something like this, but yeah, I also got a 360 camera. So like I said, some racing and all that. I got a bunch of GoPros now, so I'm gonna try to get the best angles now. So hopefully the content comes out even way better than before. But yeah, let's switch to the GoPro and we'll get this shit knocked out. Hopefully this is a good view for you guys. Before you guys say anything, while we have the motorcycles inside the house, as you guys can see, the garage is pretty packed. Luckily the living room's pretty big. But yeah, so I never done this before, so we'll see. I think this is the tools we're gonna end up using. Like I said, hopefully y'all facing the right direction, or I'll see it. But yeah, before we actually remove it, so you guys can see how it looks. I almost forgot. So that's the stock one. I know it's dirty, hella dirty. But I don't know if I could use the turning signals. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, that's how it looks. But still, I just never liked having those wires on the back here, so that's why finally it took me forever. But replacing those now. Need to get scissors or something. I should have looked at a video how to take this out. I believe I need to remove these first and go from there. So let's go. Wow. So you don't do it like that? Uh-huh. I need to cut those zip ties. So let's go, yeah. it goes. I was like, damn, it's taking forever. It looks like it's only one screwdriver at the top. And then just pins. Okay. It's not even that hard.
Show the camera the slow ass.
That's the jigsaw erase. He got gap. But y'all go follow my boy though. He got gap, but like I said, I recorded and time lapse some.
My boy is on. I like his second for his view.
Yeah, just the side. Let's see. How does it pop out? Oh, just clips. So I think I do need to remove these. Damn. I said, I hope the view is pretty good. If not, then y'all just gonna see.
Your nose?
Y'all gonna see something.
He's like, y'all believe this?
Yeah. Like I said, you guys, I know it's been a good minute. Like a lot of things been happening, but you know, I'll keep you guys updated on all that. I know y'all probably miss some of the video, not really. But I'm gonna try to keep grinding right now. I'm working a lot of hours, so it's gonna be super difficult for me. But you know, I'm gonna do my best to actually try to keep this going because I don't know, that doesn't do anything. Maybe it's just this. Oh, okay. Is it supposed to come out this way or the other way? Yeah. I'm gonna have to remove these too. Oh. Damn, start moving everything. You'll see the whole bike apart. I mean, let me set this up here.
Now that we got all that, I think it's time to put these on. So hopefully, if I'm not mistaken, I should just go on like that. Wait. How does it go? Oh, hold on. Okay, so it does go this way. That's crazy. You don't put a screw on top. I just realized that. You do have to put it this way. There you go. Does this tell you left and right? Nope. Oops. I'm gonna put those screws on there. Okay, so to hold it in place at least. As I'm looking at it, it looks way better too. What you think?
Huh?
What you think?
This looks it.
It looks good, huh?
It's sleek. I like it.
You know, so okay. Put the connector back on. I just don't like how, I don't know if you guys can see, but the stock one, you could put a screw in top, which this one you can't. Well, technically you could if you wanted to, a cell topper or something, but you want to screw in this cables back there or something and you mess it up. So it's really up to you, your preference. Now I just gotta make sure this goes the right way. So let's turn it on. Is it working? Yeah, see, they're the opposite. I put left. That's right. It doesn't tell you what's left and right, but okay, so they should have put like one plug white and one plug red. But there you go. Now it should be left. Yep. There you guys go. See? That looks so good. Okay, so let's put everything together. Put everything back. And then yeah, so I just put everything back and then I'll pick up the camera back on. So it might look even better, but I like this look. It kind of goes with the bike that is blue and black. So anybody that's new or that's joining my channel and because of the bike, this is a 2019 R6. Like I say, that looks way better. So far I only have done the fender eliminator. As you guys can see, the new pretty much tail light, and it has a slip on. And then pretty much deleted the mirrors. I need to, like I said, I need to buy block off plates. And you guys should follow the team. But yeah, I got a few more things coming real soon for the bike. I ordered something, so that's on the way. And then hopefully a week or 3 weeks from now, I should be getting a full exhaust and probably get ready to flash the ECU and stuff. But yeah, so thanks for, I'm sorry, like I said, my bad for taking forever to upload, but that was my situation. But back on the grind, and this is just a small little clip. So please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. So here's another view in the daytime while I get ready to head to work. Let me turn it on. Look at that. So nice. Turn this thing down. But yeah, easy install, wasn't too bad. But hey, you guys.